Good day everyone, my name is Pio Bergado from Grade 10 Sincerity, and the title of my speech is called The Ripple Effect, Kindness Creates Change. Have you ever thrown a small pebble into a still lake? The moment it hits the water, something incredible happens. A tiny splash creates a ring. That ring pushes out another, and another, until ripples cover the entire surface of the water. One small pebble changed the entire lake. We live in a world that feels fast, chaotic, and sometimes overwhelming. We watch the news or scroll through our feeds, seeing massive global problems. And it's easy to think, I'm just one student, what could I possibly do? We fall into a trap of believing that to create change, we have to make a huge, dramatic declaration or have thousands of followers. But I'm here today to tell you that to make real lasting change doesn't start with a loud crowd. It starts with a quiet act of kindness. Kindness is not a weakness. Kindness is a force. When you choose to be kind, you are dropping a pebble in someone else's water or life. Think about when you're having a terrible day, maybe failed an exam, argued with a friend, or felt invisible. And then, someone, maybe even a stranger, smiled at you and held the door and said, Hey, take your time. How did that make you feel? It didn't solve all your problems, but it shifted your world, didn't it? It gave you a reason to breathe. That is the power of kindness. It is infectious. When someone feels seen, appreciated, or loved, their heart softens. And the person with a softened heart is much more likely to pass that warmth onto someone else's. You you see, kindness is a chain reaction. A simple compliment in the hallway can give a classmate the confidence to speak up. Checking in on a friend who seems quiet might literally save their day. Sharing your lunch, defending someone who is being left out, or simply listening without judgment. These are not small things. These are life changing moments disguised as daily choices. As grade 10 students, we are standing on the edge of growing up. We are deciding what kind of person we want to be. We often ask, how can I change the world? The answer is simple. Change the world for one person today. Choose patience when you want to be frustrated. Choose encouragement when it's easier to criticize. Choose to notice people who are usually ignored. If everyone watching this video decides to perform just one intentional act of kindness every single day, think about the environment we could create. Or our school wouldn't just be a place to study, it would be a community where everyone feels seen, heard, and valued. You don't need a degree, a title, or a fortune to make a difference. All you need is that heart that cares. Never underestimate the impact of your actions. You're holding a pebble in your hand right now. The water is waiting. Choose kindness, create the ripple, and be the change.